Some cars are built for comfort, some are built for speed, but only a rare few are built for something far more powerful: pure, unfiltered driving theatre. The Morgan Super 3 was never a conventional machine. It was a statement, a celebration of mechanical honesty, open-air insanity, and a design philosophy that simply refused to follow the crowd. And now, in 2026, that philosophy returns, bolder, more refined, and more thrilling than ever. Finished in deep Corinthian red, crouching low like a coiled spring on its signature three-wheel stance. This isn't a nostalgia act. It's a living, breathing work of automotive art. And today, we're taking a closer look at the rebirth of the 2026 Morgan Super 3. From the front, the 2026 Morgan Super 3 is unlike anything else on the road. The wide, open face greets you with circular, LED-ringed headlights flanking a bold central nose cone. A design that's equal parts vintage racer and modern sculpture. A hand-formed aluminum hood stretches ahead of the driver, sculpted with flowing character lines that catch light at every angle. There's no plastic cladding, no oversized grills chasing trend points, just honest, hand-beaten metalwork finished with obsessive precision. The chrome details are minimal but perfectly placed. A polished radiator surround here, a machined badge there. It's theatrical without being theatrical about it. Viewed from the side, the proportions are genuinely unlike anything else in production today. The long front section tapers dramatically toward the single rear wheel, creating a silhouette that belongs somewhere between a vintage Le Mans racer and a bespoke piece of industrial design. The Corinthian Red bodywork glows deep and rich in natural light, its hand-formed curves catching shadows that would make a sculptor jealous. Exposed exterior metalwork, side-mounted exhausts and open-wheel arches telegraph mechanical intent at every glance. The cockpit sits high and open, framed by a minimalist windscreen and twin-roll hoops that define the car's fighter plane aesthetic. Low, aggressive, and deeply purposeful. The Super 3's proportions are the work of craftspeople who understand that form and function are never truly separate. At the rear, things get genuinely dramatic. The single centerline wheel dominates the composition, framed by a tightly sculpted rear fairing that tapers to a clean, purposeful point. Round LED tail lamps sit flush within the bodywork, glowing with modern precision while honoring the car's classic spirit. The exposed rear suspension components are almost proudly on display, a reminder that this machine isn't hiding its engineering behind layers of bodywork. A single exhaust tip exits cleanly to the side, its tone entirely disproportionate to the car's compact dimensions. Compact, focused, and utterly distinctive, the rear of the Super 3 is a design statement in itself. Step inside, and the handcrafted philosophy becomes impossible to ignore. The cockpit is tight, purposeful, and absolutely alive with tactile detail. A hand-stitched leather-wrapped steering wheel sits directly ahead, its thin rim offering direct, unfiltered feedback from the front wheels. Classic analog gauges occupy a beautifully finished binnacle, their polished bezels glinting in open-air light. Every surface you touch has been considered with care. Hand-finished leather wraps the seat bolsters and door cards, stitched in contrasting thread with the kind of precision that takes time. Real time. The center console is narrow and driver-focused, with the gear shifter positioned exactly where instinct tells you it should be. Look closer, and you'll find discreetly integrated connectivity and modern safety technology. Present, but never intrusive. Because in the Super 3, the experience is always analog first. Beneath that hand-formed aluminum hood, the 2026 Morgan Super 3 is expected to carry over and refine its acclaimed powertrain. A high-revving 2.0-liter Ford Ecoboost four-cylinder engine projected to deliver between 220 and 260 horsepower to that single rear wheel. On a car weighing barely 600 kilograms, those figures are genuinely transformative. A 5-speed manual transmission keeps the driving experience mechanical and engaging, with a projected 0 to 60 time of around 4.2 seconds. But numbers alone don't tell the story here. The Super 3 is about the sensation. The way the engine note fills the open cockpit. The way steering inputs translate immediately and honestly. The way the whole car communicates with you through every surface you're touching. It's a driving experience that no four-wheeled machine can replicate. As a continuation of Morgan's celebrated hand-built tradition, the 2026 Super 3 is expected to carry a starting price between $65,000 and $85,000, depending on specification and Coachbuilt options. Each car is built to order at the Morgan factory in Malvern, England, a process that takes months and produces something genuinely unique. Production volumes remain deliberately limited, making every Super 3 a collector's piece from the moment it rolls out of the workshop. With a growing reputation for appreciating in value and an ever-expanding community of passionate owners, the 2026 model year may represent the most compelling case yet for joining the Morgan family. The 2026 Morgan Super 3 doesn't ask for your approval. It doesn't chase trends. It doesn't apologize for its three wheels, its open cockpit, or its unapologetic commitment to the driving experience above all else. In an era of touchscreens and driver assistance systems, this machine stands apart. Radically, joyfully, defiantly apart. And that, perhaps, is the greatest thing about it. So here's the real question. Would you choose this hand-built British wildcard over anything with four wheels? If you appreciate machines built with passion, purpose, and no small amount of madness, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Icons Reborn.